Good afternoon, or morning, whenever you're watching this, I don't know. But this is seventh period. This is Algebra 1, and this is the lesson on Chapter 3, Section 4. This is solving multi-step inequalities. Inequalities. These are just like equations. But we need to remember if you divide or multiply by a negative at the end of the equation, it reverses the inequality because the number flips, the number changes. It becomes the opposite. So at the end, if you divide or multiply by a negative, reverse the inequality. Okay, so let's take a look at a few examples. Two t, 2 parentheses t plus 2 minus 3t less than or equal to negative 1. Distributed property, 2t plus 4 minus 3t greater than or equal to negative 1. Combine these two terms, those two, and you get negative 1t plus 4 greater than or equal to negative 1. Subtract the 4. Negative 1t greater than or equal to, these two combined give us negative 5. Divide by negative 1. Cancel. T, don't forget we got to flip because we divided by that negative number, less than or equal to positive 5. Now that graph all right, this is negative 5, or positive 5? Positive 5. Right, this is 6. This is 4. I'm going to circle it, fill it in, because it's or equal to, then it's less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So all the numbers this way. Right? So all the numbers less than or equal to 5. Okay? All right. Let's take a look at another example. There's example 1. And example 2. It will be 6z minus 15 is less than 4z plus 11. All right, so I'm going to subtract the 4z. They cancel. I have 2z on the left minus 15 less than 11. Add 15. Cancel. 2z less than 26. Divide by 2. So z less than 13. In the graph, 13 here, 14 here, 12 here. Circle, open circle this time. And shade it to the right, or to the left. All right, moving on. That one's not so bad. It's just like equations. Let's get the eraser here. All right, example 3. And that is 18x minus 5 less than or equal to 3 times 6x minus 2. 18x minus 5 less than or equal to 18x minus 6. Subtract the 18x. Uh-oh. Something strange. I have minus 5 less than or equal to minus 6. Now, negative 5 is here on the number line. Okay, 0 is over here. Negative 6 is on this side of negative 5. So negative 5 is greater than negative 6. This is a false statement. Negative 5 is not less than or equal to negative 6. This is false. So that means no solution. If this was true, and the variable dropped out, went away, that would be all solutions, infinite solutions. X can be anything. But in this case, this is false. So, there's no solution. All right. Here we go with the last example of the lesson here. And I get to see how much time I have left. And I think I'll put it here. Okay. And it's this. 2 more than triple a number. This is example 4. 2 more than triple a number is at most 6. What are the numbers? Okay, what are the numbers? All right, 2 more than triple a number. So 2 more than triple a number is 2 plus 3x. Now, if it's at most 6, okay? At most 6. That means it could not be 7, it could not be 8, but it could be 5, could be 6, at most 6, could be 4, could be 3, so it's less than or equal to 6. That word at most, less than or equal to. All right, so think about, could it be 5? Could it be 7? And the answer is it could be 5, but it can't be 7. So it's less than, it's on this side of 6. All right, so let's solve it. We're going to subtract the 2. And we get 3x less than or equal to 4. Divide by 3. And x less than or equal to 4/3. Four-thirds. So 1.3 repeating. Okay? All right, that's 3-4, ladies and gentlemen. Solving multi-step inequalities. Just remember, what do we have to remember? When you divide by a negative at the end, the inequality reverses. That's the hardest thing to remember, but you can do it. Okay? All right.